Welcome back to the IS Companion, esteemed audience, to today's captivating journey into the fascinating world of the biological perspective in psychology. In this enthralling lecture, we will delve deep into the foundational principles, groundbreaking research, and influential figures that have shaped our understanding of how biology influences behavior and mental processes. Join me as we explore the intricate web of neurons, neurotransmitters, and brain structures that underlie the complexities of human cognition and emotion. Foundational figures in biological psychology. Franz Joseph Gall and phrenology. Franz Joseph Gall pioneered the field of phrenology, which posited that personality traits and mental abilities could be inferred from the shape and size of cranial bumps. Although phrenology fell out of favor due to its lack of empirical support, Gall's emphasis on the brain as the seat of mental faculties laid the groundwork for future neuroscience research. Paul Broca and localization of brain function. Paul Broca's landmark discovery of Broca's area, a region in the left frontal lobe associated with language production, provided compelling evidence for the localization of brain function. Broca's work demonstrated that specific cognitive functions are mediated by discrete brain regions, laying the foundation for the field of neuropsychology and advancing our understanding of brain-behavior relationships. Carl Lashley and the engram. Carl Lashley's research on the neural basis of learning and memory led to the concept of the engram, or the hypothetical neural substrate of memory storage. Through his experiments on rats, Lashley sought to identify the specific brain regions involved in memory formation, ultimately concluding that memories are widely distributed throughout the cortex rather than localized in specific areas. Basic tenets of the biological perspective. Neural communication. At the core of the biological perspective is the understanding of neural communication, whereby information is transmitted within the nervous system through electrochemical signals. Neurons, the building blocks of the nervous system, communicate with one another through synaptic transmission, involving the release and reception of neurotransmitters across synaptic gaps. Brain structure and function. The brain, comprising billions of interconnected neurons, serves as the central processing unit of the nervous system, governing all aspects of behavior and cognition. Different brain regions are specialized for specific functions, such as the frontal lobe for executive function, the hippocampus for memory, and the amygdala for emotion regulation. Neurotransmitters and hormones. Neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, play crucial roles in modulating mood, motivation, and cognitive processes. Hormonal systems, including the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis and the endocrine system, regulate physiological responses to stress and influence behavior and emotion. In conclusion, the biological perspective in psychology offers a profound lens through which to explore the intricate interplay between biology and behavior. From the pioneering work of Gall and Broca to the modern advancements in neuroscience and psychopharmacology, this perspective has transformed our understanding of the neural underpinnings of cognition, emotion, and mental health. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the brain, let us embrace the interdisciplinary nature of biological psychology and its potential to illuminate the complexities of the human mind. Thank you for your attention and engagement in this enlightening exploration of the biological perspective in psychology. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.